my God.
God.
Where's Diaper Man?
That's
My God! What happened to her? Did she fall through the floor?
No. She's still there. She dropped the camera.
Oh, for God's sakes.
She went after the friggin' wave. Oh, I don't like this show. They're all dying.
Nightmares.
Dude,
Who picked this out? Your mother? This is gonna guys have nightmares.
The poor black guy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Liz, turn that off.
Oh my
What is
God.
going on?
Oh my God, the hot fireman's going!
Jesus Christ, I can't wait for your mother to see this. She loves this shit. Oh my God. Hit her! Hit her! Hit! Another one? Another one? Keep going.
Dude, there's a freaking dead carcass next to them.
Oh.
There's like 10 dead people in there.
Close the damn door. Jeez. Oh. My God!
Oh my God!
Did you see that?
Oh my God!
Did you see that? She flew right over the railing. My God! Who's that old guy? Oh!
They're everywhere! Oh my God!
Well, that's your friend.
Oh, he was so hot.
He was.
Why are they going upstairs?
Take the keys! Take the keys!
Get the fucking key! Freaking open it! Don't open it! Stop!